Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you how can we access CryptoPie.net website's premium features and Cryptopie TradingView pattern indicators as free. We need to complete two tasks for this. First, sign up on OKX exchange using the reference link I'll provide below the video and make a $200 trade. After complete the first task, go to the CryptoPie.net website and open the profile page by clicking the profile icon. After that, enter your TradingView username, Telegram username, Aux UID. Lastly, update your profile by clicking the Update Profile button. You can copy your OKX UID number by hovering your mouse over your profile icon. After completing the first task, please send me a message via Telegram or email. I will provide the communication links below the video. The second task is a monthly trading volume of $25,000 is required to access the website and indicators. For indicators only, a monthly trading volume of $15,000 is sufficient. If you have $100 in your account, when you open close trade with 20x leverage, you will reach the $4,000 trading volume at once. Completing the task would require making this type of trade 6 times in a month. At the end of the month you will reach $24,000 trading volume. If you keep making these trading volumes, you will get unlimited access to the CryptoPie.net website plus all TradingView indicators and upcoming features. Thank you for your watching, see you in the next videos.